Hi, welcome to IBC 2016. I'm Joe O'Halloran, Editor-in-Chief of Rapid TV News, and I'm here with Bill Nardi, VP of Broadcast Integration and Global Support at Dejero. Welcome, Bill.
Hello.
As we both know, there's been an explosion of user-generated content in the field. How are companies managing all that data these days?
Well, I mean, the way the industry is going right now is that social media is such a hot item, and there's a race to get content to the viewers quicker. Whoever can get it there first gets the most views. So folks are using it by having great mobile apps out in the field, and then obviously some great CDNs to get things to the web. And our part of it is that we have this great portal that helps folks manage their content through it. So once it comes in, they can route it wherever they want.
So how has the industry changed in the way they share content?
It's faster. In the field, you're looking for faster speeds to gather the content. You want to stream it faster. You want higher bandwidth, which means higher quality, but you still want to get that quality quickly to the consumer.
Now, you guys, we know, have been active in working with sports broadcasters at the Olympics. Tell us what that involves.
Lots of planning. Lots of logistics, a lot of meetings, a lot of negotiations, finding out requirements of what the customers need, because that's what we focus on, and then it's the execution of the plan. And in Rio, for example, and this isn't the first major event we've done London and Sochi, and the Pope elections and the Pope services around the world. But what we do is we set up a Wi-Fi network. We set up a couple of them, and we combine that with cell service and the Wi-Fi, and also on-site support, so that our customers, wherever they went, they were able to be live and be able to stream in HD.
Does the bar just get higher for these things?
It does. It's no good deed goes unpunished. So it's one of those situations where when you do well, you're expected to do better next time.
And given your work at the Olympics, what's that meant in terms of what you've got planned for the next 12 months?
Well, the next 12 months, we're focusing on some of the products that we're showing here at the show. We're previewing the Internet Gateway, which right now being a preview, it means it's not ready to go yet, but that'll be our focus for the next 12 months. The product is going to be set up for being able to do extremely fast speeds in the field with some bonded modems to create internet streams for our customers to use. Basically, an easy use case to think about is to take your newsroom in the field, meaning you'd be in the field operating as if you were sitting in your newsroom, writing, editing, moving files, making graphics, at the same time still being able to use our other products that can use the bandwidth off this product.
Are you finding there's newer use cases by the month, by the year?
We're finding that our new use cases literally by the minute. Folks are coming and telling us what they'd like to do. We think we know what they'd like to do as well, but we want to get their input as well. But this is one of those products that we think that down the line is going to be something that will be extremely special for us.
Having developed all those products, what's the challenges that the end users are facing, and what problems does it solve?
Well, as far as challenges, we focus on making it easy to use. We focus on being simple. Simplify. We want things to be more of a plug-and-play situation for folks, because in the field, the crews in the field are being asked to do more with less. Meaning the days of having a photographer and a reporter working together and maybe a truck operator, those days are diminishing. And right now it's a lot of one person go out, they write, they shoot, they edit, they put themselves on live, they do the whole story themselves. We want them to have the tools to use to do what they need to do effectively and efficiently. And we want it to be a good experience. Because if it's a lot of different steps and things can go wrong, then there's potential for failure.
And the final unfair question, if we're sitting here in IBC 2017, how do you see the industry is going to be changing?
Well, the way we see it is that IP transmission is just going to continue to grow. Folks are still expecting more speeds, faster speeds in the field. They want much more bandwidth quicker so they can continue to send content to customers. But at the same time, I also see the trend of TV stations starting to operate in the cloud. TV stations may not be over the air anymore. They're going to have to operate in the cloud to compete with the OTTs and the cord cutters.
And that's going to be like cloud native?
Basically, cloud-based.
It's an interesting development. Bill, well, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.